What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video with Matt Trades Life. My name is Matt, and as we go through this crazy journey that is life, I'm going to stock and options trade my way through it. And in today's video, I'm going to be going over some of my further thoughts on Carmine Rosato's Investitrade course, some of the profitable trades that I've been taking, paper trading, while implementing some of the knowledge from his particular course as well, and going over some of the trades that I've taken along the way. And you can see I've posted some of those testimonials here with some of the trades that I've taken that have actually worked out in my favor. So as you can see right here, this is the testimonials page for his Discord group. Had some decent gains, 425 on Tesla, 170 on Tesla, 330 shorting Nvidia, random day making 96 bucks. This was my best trade day so far, 1285 on Nvidia call options, which is making the price go up. And then on this trade here, this was the NASDAQ, made 550 trading one lot there. And yes, that is it. This is the Nvidia trade, just showing the P&L on that. Going to zoom in. This is my first time doing a trade recap, so I appreciate some of your patience. Before we get into the trade recap, though, I am going to be launching a small account challenge soon that I'm going to do for myself, so please subscribe and stick around for that. But as you can see, I've been posting some profitable trades here. And now, mind you, yes, they are paper trades. I'm not putting my own money behind this yet. And I am trading relatively small size for that reason. I'm not YOLOing a 100K paper trade account, putting on massive size and showing these stupid gains that just aren't realistic. The reason why I'm paper trading right now is to implement the knowledge I've learned from Investitrade's course, but also to build my own confidence and prove that I have somewhat of an idea as to what's going on. The only people who know what's going on are the market makers behind the freaking curtain. Let's be real. I don't really know. I'm just going off of the zones and everything that I've been charting and trying to figure everything out. So with that being said, let's look at the Nvidia chart. And to be honest, guys, I absolutely love charting as a whole. I think it's fun. I could do this all day. So as you can see, I've got a bunch of zones laid out here. This is the 180 day, and I have my trades that I've taken on here. I'm just going to have that be removed just to keep the chart clean. But let's just zoom down into some of these zones that I've been looking at. This is the 10-day, 30-minute. As you can see, solid buy zone here up into this range, buy zone right here. So I would safe to say this would probably be a good purchase zone. But as you can see, as it's been coming down, every single one of these zones has gotten blown out. So if we test this and push through it, there's a strong chance we'll have a decent push to the downside. But let's go to the trade that that I took right here that brought in the 1285 Nvidia calls, and I posted that at 11:14 a.m. So that is just about in this zone right about here. This is 11:13:14 was when I posted this. So I'm going to go over my thesis on what I put this trade on for, and I think it was only 5 or 10 contracts, so nothing too crazy. But for those who are new to the options world, one contract is equal to 100 shares. Just do the math, and that's my size. So I'm going to confirm that I got into the trade somewhere down in about this region right about here, because what I saw was we had a nice sell-off, keep coming down, and then right in this zone, right at about 1024, 1030-ish, we had a solid reversal. So this green candle was promising, and then as it came back up, we're coming this way, we're moving up, we had a massive move up. So that's cool, but I saw this double top. It tested the high here, and wouldn't break through it. So I didn't put on this trade until we got into this zone right about here. This area of consolidation was nice because we had a decent breakdown here, and then this green candle and this strong move up confirmed that we were going to be pushing higher. So I got into my call position right about here and sold off into this strength right about into this range. Once I saw this red breakdown here, I thought we might be coming back down. So I exited here, and of course, as you can tell, left a boatload of money onto the table. But I don't want to look at the what ifs. I don't think that's necessarily important. The fact of the matter is we saw this double top come in. I get into the trade somewhere in this zone. You always want to sell into strength from what I understand. You don't want to be caught holding the bag as this thing starts to fade down. So you want to sell when all the volume and liquidity is coming in and people are buying, pushing this thing higher. Now, of course, if I held up to 236, I'm not sure how many people actually sold off at 236.27, but I would have made a boatload more money. But I mean, when I was delivering furniture, getting through college, I was making $500-600 a week, And in one trade, I made $1,200, what would be 2 weeks' salary in not even an hour. So not a bad way to start the day. But I'm saying all of this because, guys, the course does work. I am not paid to say this whatsoever. I used my own money to buy the course, have access to the Discord and everything like that. I'm also not a financial advisor. I could be wrong about my whole thesis. Don't listen to me. I'm an idiot. But what I'm saying is that his course and his content works. And for the price that it is, the value makes sense. And the cost is relatively small compared to what you'll gain. In theory, if that was a real trade, I would have made my money back 3 times over. So it's worth it. The point of this video is to show you that I'm no finance guy, I'm no math whiz, yet I can put on understanding and profitable trades just by looking at these simple zones and understanding where to get in and to get out. I'm still learning. This is a never-ending game. I'm still learning how to get in and out of positions, but also, guys, one thing, and if you can comment down below and let me know about this, I have no idea why when I get out of my options position and I completely close out down to 0 contracts, my P&L still fluctuates. That is something I don't understand and would like your guys' opinion on that to comment down below if you could. But if you stuck around to this portion, I'm going to be starting up a small account challenge. I'm probably going to do like $1,000 to $5,000, maybe even smaller, $500, and just trade my way on up. That is the goal. So if you're interested in that, please subscribe to the channel, guys. Look forward to seeing you in the next video where we launch that challenge. So thanks for sticking around. Have a great weekend and happy trading. See you next week. I don't even know if that fucking worked. Stop it. 3, 2, 1. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video with Matt Trades Life. My name is Matt, and as we go through this crazy journey that